Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday morning. Whiskey Wednesday. I'm wearing something summery because it is chilly and very windy here in Sutter County, California. It's windy up and down in the valley. They say the winds are going to calm down later on this afternoon, and Bob Harlan's weather report that is, says the same thing. So yesterday I kind of had it easy because Robin prepared dinner. Or should I say cooked dinner. I did all of her mise en place and all of her prep. Even got her workstation ready for her. Yeah. She prepared crustless spinach quiche. I ate about half of it. It was really good. A little bit of salsa on top. Yeah. Good old California way to eat quiche. The old joke, real men don't eat quiche, that's bullshit. Today and tonight, I am preparing Cajun Cabbage Jambalaya. Cajun Cabbage Jambalaya. 3 wonderful worlds to me in my kitchen. Let's take a look. Got a Dutch oven ready. That's all I need. I am using a coleslaw mix instead of cutting up a cabbage. This saves me a little bit of time and effort and so forth. I'm using Adele's Cajun style andouille. This was on sale on $5 Monday. So yeah. Of course, there's red pepper, yellow onion, some celery, garlic, kosher salt, black pepper. It's not that I miscalculated, but I've had this turkey stock for a while as a backup because I used all of my chicken stock. I used a little bit more of it in the soup I did the other night than I expected. A can of petite diced tomatoes, my Cajun blend, which is very yummy, which is available in my herbs and spice blends, and some white long grain rice. So this turns into Cajun Cabbage Jambalaya. So yeah, on this day, stay out of the wind if you can. I hope everybody is doing well. So on this day, Whiskey Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.